Hi everyone, in front of me I've got AGM H6 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. So right here we've got the list of all, let's say, currently other languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to scroll and find the language which you'd like to apply. Let me choose Greek. So just tap on it. You can choose the region also. And as you can see, our language has been immediately applied to the list. However, in my case, English is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let me tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And now we've got Greek at the top, and the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language, as you can see here. All right, let me show it to you again. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. And we've got English. If you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Mark the language which you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.